Welcome to the Soul Goals podcast, where we dive into the power of meditation, hypnotherapy, and personal growth. I'm Diane, your guide for today's meditation, designed to help you manifest both unbreakable hustle and unshakable peace. For more transformative content, please visit us at mysoulgoals.com. In this session, we'll focus on empowering you to stay steady in your ambitions, no matter what comes your way. We'll strengthen your resilience and nurture a peace that can't be shaken. Whether you're here to recharge, refocus, or find strength, this meditation will guide you. Now, if you want the full power of this meditation, I would recommend making a playlist and saving your favorite meditations in there and leaving it running overnight so then you can go to sleep listening to this. Now let's begin. Settle into a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and allow your body to relax. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this, breathing in relaxation and breathing out tension. With each inhale, imagine drawing in calm and focus. And with each exhale, let go of any stress, any thoughts of the day, and anything that no longer serves you. Now, we'll start relaxing each part of your body one by one, melting away any tension and bringing a deep sense of peace. Let's start with your feet. Feel them grow warm and relaxed. Allow your toes to soften and release any tension in the soles of your feet. Move the sensation up to your ankles, releasing any tightness which is there. Now let your calves relax, feeling the warmth travel up to your knees, soothing each muscle and joint. Continue up to your thighs. Let them soften and release. Your legs feel heavy, calm, completely at ease. Focus now on your hips and your lower back, areas where stress can hide. Let any tension there melt away. Feel the warmth move up your spine, vertebrae by vertebrae, spreading comfort through your entire back. Now bring your attention to your stomach. Let it soften. Breathe deeply into this area, letting go of any tightness or knots. Move up to your chest, feeling it expand with each breath, then relaxing as you exhale. Let your shoulders drop and relax, letting go of any burdens that you might be holding there. Feel this relaxation travel down your arms, through your elbows, and all the way to your hands. Let your fingers and your thumbs soften. Release any last bit of tension. Bring your focus now to your neck, letting it relax fully. Move up to your jaw, relaxing any tightness, and let your lips part slightly. Feel your cheeks as they begin to soften. Now let your eyes relax, sinking into a comfortable state. And finally, allow your forehead and your scalp to soften. Your entire body is now calm, grounded, and relaxed, ready to receive empowering affirmations. Now, in this state of calm, bring your focus to a vision of yourself fully empowered, unbreakable in your hustle, unshakable in your peace. Imagine yourself moving confidently through life, navigating every challenge, each step grounded in purpose and resilience. Visualize your goals, those ambitions that light you up inside. Picture each one and bring them into vivid detail. See yourself achieving them. Feel the satisfaction of reaching each milestone and feel the energy of possibility around you. Imagine an inner strength growing within, a strength so steady no obstacles can sway you. This is your unbreakable hustle, a drive that propels you forward no matter what. You see yourself embracing every challenge as an opportunity to grow, pushing forward with courage, dedication, and a belief in your abilities. Now, feel a deep sense of calm and peace overlaying this hustle, like a protective shield around you. This is your unshakable peace, grounding you in the face of adversity. You're not rushing, You're steady, moving with intention. You feel rooted, connected to a quiet place within that remains calm, regardless of what's happening around you. Affirm silently or aloud. My hustle is unbreakable. My peace is unshakable. I move forward with confidence and I am grounded in calm. I am resilient, steady, and focused on my path. My hustle is unbreakable. My peace is unshakable. I move forward with confidence and I am grounded in calm. I am resilient, steady, and focused on my path. Let these affirmations settle deep within you, each one a reminder of your strength and calm. Let yourself bask in this balanced energy, knowing that you can move forward with both power and peace. Now, take a moment to let these feelings amplify. Allow this state of calm, confidence to become a part of you, a resource you can access anytime. Know that no matter what comes your way, you have both the strength and the peace to handle it. Let this balanced energy fill you, flowing through your mind, your heart, your entire being. When you're ready, start bringing awareness back to your breath, feeling the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Wiggle your fingers and toes, returning to your body. Slowly open your eyes when you're ready. Thank you for joining the Soul Goals podcast for this meditation. If you enjoyed this session, please like and subscribe and share it with anyone who could use a bit more peace and power in their lives. And don't forget to explore our playlist for more meditations, and feel free to let this playlist run on repeat as you sleep to reinforce these affirmations overnight. Visit mysoulgoals.com for more content and resources to support your journey. And remember, you have the power within you to move with both hustle and peace. Stay balanced, stay powerful.